Dubrovnik, Croatia. A name that conjures up images of ancient walls, sparkling seas, and maybe even dragons. This city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is more than just a pretty face. It's a captivating blend of history, culture, and stunning natural beauty. Founded in the 7th century, Dubrovnik has worn many hats: a republic, a trading powerhouse, and even a filming location for a little show called Game of Thrones. But one thing remains constant: Dubrovnik's ability to charm its visitors. From the moment you step through the Pile Gate, the main entrance to the Old Town, you're transported back in time. Cobblestone streets, centuries-old buildings, and the echoes of history underfoot. So, are you ready to explore Dubrovnik with me? Let's dive in. The best way to get to know Dubrovnik is the way locals have for centuries: on foot. The Old Town walking tour is your ticket to uncovering the city's secrets. Our journey starts at the iconic Stradan, Dubrovnik's main street. This limestone-paved thoroughfare is buzzing with life, lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. Next, we'll visit the Sponza Palace, a 16th century beauty that now houses the city archives. Then it's on to the Rector's Palace, a stunning example of Gothic and Renaissance architecture. Don't forget to climb the city walls. This walk offers breathtaking views of the Old Town, the Adriatic, and the nearby island of Lokrum. For fans of the hit HBO series Game of Thrones, Dubrovnik is a must-visit. The city served as the primary filming location for King's Landing, the show's capital. Our Game of Thrones tour takes you to iconic spots like Fort Lovregenac, which doubled as the Red Keep, and Pile Bay, where the Battle of the Blackwater was filmed. Remember the Walk of Shame? We'll retrace Cersei Lannister's steps through the city, visiting key locations from that unforgettable scene. Don't worry, no need to bear all for this walk. By the end of the tour, you'll be speaking Dothraki and plotting your claim to the Iron Throne. Just kidding. Maybe. Section 4. Beyond the city walls, Mostar and Kravica Waterfalls. While Dubrovnik has plenty to offer, no trip to the region is complete without venturing beyond the city walls. A day trip to Mostar, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and the stunning Kravica Waterfalls is an experience you won't soon forget. Mostar, with its iconic Stari Most, or Old Bridge, is a city steeped in history and culture. The bridge, originally built by the Ottomans in the 16th century, was destroyed during the Bosnian War, but has since been rebuilt. It now stands as a symbol of hope and reconciliation. Our next stop is the Kravica Waterfalls, a true natural wonder. These cascading falls, located on the Trebizond River, are a sight to behold. Take a dip in the refreshing waters, or simply relax and enjoy the scenery. Section 5. Dubrovnik, a tapestry of history, beauty, and adventure. Dubrovnik is more than just a destination. It's a feeling. It's the feeling of ancient stones beneath your feet, the salty air on your skin, and the echoes of history whispering in your ear. From the moment you arrive, you're enveloped in Dubrovnik's magic. Whether you're strolling through the Old Town, reliving your favorite Game of Thrones scenes, or venturing out on a day trip, Dubrovnik will leave an unforgettable mark on your soul. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the magic of Dubrovnik for yourself.